Back again with the Hoovermatic, guys. We're doing a boil wash. So this is on a true boil. Got some scungy white towels in there that we've cleaned all the washers with, ready for Adam coming. So they were covered in dirt and bits of grass and everything, so they're just quite happily bubbling away. In some Persil Non Bio. Quite traditional. Yeah, that is insane. Never really done a boil wash before in this, and I'll never do one again. I will do one again, because it is quite useful, but it's pretty dangerous. I don't know, it's so hot, obviously. Let's see how it goes. Oof. Look at the colour of that water. I'm going to step back in case it splashes. Steamed up. Get that fan on. Put it back to boil. Oh yeah, that's intense. Well, hopefully they'll come out nice and clean. They should do after this. See you next time.